Hello, welcome back Shaper Origin freaks to my channel. Today another video about router bits. You know it, it is one of my favorite topics. And today I want to talk about this router bit here. This is the one you get with your Shaper Origin when you buy it. It's an 1/8 of an inch bit in the US, or this one here, it's the 3mm router bit you get when you buy your Shaper Origin in Europe. These bits, you will use them a lot when you don't want to remove a lot of material. You want to do fine cuts, so they're really useful, but both of them have a disadvantage. If you look at them, you can only cut with them like for a limited amount of depth, and then they become bigger. You get a 1/4 of an inch shank in the US and 8mm shank in Europe. And so they need to get wider. So that's one disadvantage. You can actually not drill deep with them because of that limit. The second disadvantage is that they're actually pretty expensive. Like, depending where you live, at Shaper you pay like, I don't know, $20 to $25 for one of those. And so if one of those break, it's a bunch of money you have to spend. There is actually a better way to cut away an 1/8 of an inch that is more convenient and cheaper. Let me show you that bit. It's this one here. You see, it's straight, it doesn't get fatter for the shank. And why is that? Because this is actually for an 1/8 of an inch shank. To use this bit, you need an 1/8 of an inch collet, which you can buy from Shaper Origin. I have a video showing you everything about collets. If you don't have that, I recommend you buy it, because you will be able to use a lot of the router bits that come with a very fine, small shank. If you use that like that, you will be able to cut much deeper than if you use, for instance, this one here, the one that you get in Europe, you see ends here. So you see, you have more depth. I would estimate if you go safe with attaching it, you can cut at least 3 centimeters deep with that. So you can go deeper, and that is obviously an advantage. But there is a second advantage. These come in a box like that. 10 router bits for, depending where you live, 20 to 25 bucks. So these bits are 10 times cheaper than the one you get from Shaper Origin. And the cut quality is the same. I wasn't able to see any difference. They didn't break like more quickly than this one here. Actually, they're all intact, you see. So cheaper, and you can go deeper. Man, that's like a bargain, no question. So a good replacement for your 1/8 of an inch router bit that you get with your Shaper Origin, instead of buying more of them from Shaper, just make sure you have the 1/8 of an inch collet, and then you buy these, and that's it. If you're interested, I'll leave some links in the description. If you buy through those links, I'll get a couple of cents, like always. And I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget this one, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next Shaper Origin video.